This project has been a fun and interesting experience for me. When I first met the homeowners, both of them gave me two completely different style preferences. One was into retro and art, the other wanted a minimalistic approach. With the two styles in mind, we went along with an eclectic concept. This concept is all about harmonizing various styles, textures, and contrasting colors that creates a cohesive, unique interior. In the living room, a statement TV feature storage was installed, bringing out the vibrance of the room in contrast to the plain modern furniture. Behind the sofa, we transformed a basic white canvas into a textured brick wall using Fox craftstone. The owners liked it very much, as it brought the whole room alive without overwhelming the design. I was really excited when Vanny, one of the homeowners, made a daring choice with the kitchen backsplash. Every single piece is comic themed. I would say it's a unique choice. This 1,082 square feet condos holds a family of 5. So the thing that came to mind was storage. Lots and lots of storage. We customized multi-storage platforms in both the maids and kids' room with feature dividers that functions as a bed head, at the same time allowing sunlight to pass through the gaps. Between the dividers, we fabricated a detachable wood board that allows the owner to place an additional mattress on the platform during sleepovers. Moving to the master bedroom, we built a bay window storage with flip-up doors and a retractable drawer that can turn into a working desk. In the old layout, the bathroom mirrors were placed facing directly at the door, which the homeowners opposed due to feng shui reasons. Our solution was to install cabinets with a sliding mechanism which reveals the mirrors only when needed. As an interior designer, portraying the homeowner's personality into the design allows me to challenge my expertise. My passion lies in bringing my clients' visions to life.